Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So in this video, let's look at what happened in the market today and what are the trade setup for the coming weeks and what are the new stocks which are in breakout or currently in 52-week high or the stocks which are closed with good volumes which we can expect moves in the coming days. So before getting into the video, let's see Dow Jones. Dow Jones currently we can see this is the day chart, and this has been in the this has been in the channel. I mean, like it hit this previous high of 35,700 in the month of August, and now again it is at the same area. So it is about to hit. Either it should hit and breakout. The breakout should happen. Sorry, guys. So the breakout should happen above this. So when it starts sustaining above this area, then the next expansion will start, or it may again travel towards its lower end of the channel. So this is what is expected in Dow Jones. So as of now, markets are again, I mean, like as usual, it is bullish now. It was about to fall. It made a low close to 33,700, 33,500 levels, and now again back to the upper end. So I'm expecting this should start moving on the upside. So currently global markets are bullish and this should continue for a while. So coming to our market today, you can see there was a drastic sell for the last 3 days. It made a doji candle, then an engulfing candle, and a continuous three selling starting from 18,600 to 18,050 levels today. And then it started a reversal today. So it has almost filled all the gaps, but there is one more unfilled gap here which should be filled at 18,009 or 18,000 levels, but still it is unfilled. But currently Bank Nifty is highly bullish, and you can see today it has given a strong breakout on the upside. Today it was completely a muted day in Bank Nifty for almost till 2 o'clock. It was the same. It was a muted day, and in the second half it started giving the breakout. So this is the 15 minutes candle, and you can see how it gave a symmetrical triangle breakout, and after that it gave a very strong move on the upside. I mean, like a close to, it broke out at 39,700 levels, and then it made almost close to 500 points on the upside, exactly starting from 2 o'clock. So we captured all this move, entire move starting from 2 o'clock. So I gave you all the levels there starting since morning, and I also gave the short covering is going to happen, and I mean, like notified that Bank Nifty is going to blast on the upside. So there was a volatility contraction pattern happening since morning for the last 2 days, and then today it gave a very good breakout, and it closed at an all-time high of 40,164. So Bank Nifty was the star performer of today. Entire market was on red. Only only PSU banks and private banks were in green. So the main contributor was Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank. I had given all those levels today, closing above 2098. I mean, like sustaining above 2098, it will give a breakout. You can see it has given a fresh breakout on the upside. So sustaining above this, I had given the levels also in our WhatsApp group. 2150, it is almost touched today. 2156 is the high. So next is 2200, and I'm expecting above that 2200, 2250 in the coming days. So banks are going to be banks. I mean, like Nifty Bank has given a excellent breakout. You can the entire NSE community would have seen how strong today Bank Nifty was, even though Bank Nifty was falling close to more than 200 points in the morning. You can see from where it fell down, starting from 18,400 to 18,050, almost 350 points fall. But Bank Nifty opened at, you can see where it opened. It opened at 39,700. it was in a very tight range, 300 points range, 250 to 300 points range. Let me show you the 15 minutes time frame also. So this was the time frame. So opened here, sorry, not this one. So yes, so this was the first candle today. Today is 21st. Yes, wait. Yes, wait. Yeah. So this is the candle. Yes, this is the candle made a shooting star pattern. Then it made a fall towards 39,500 area. So 39,800 to 500, very short range, and a squeeze happened the entire day, and then an excellent breakout here, and then it gave a close to 500 points more. So what is next in Bank Nifty? That is what I'm going to show you. So in Bank Nifty, we can expect, as per the harmonics pattern, it is going to extend till 48,000 levels, minimum 48,000 levels. You can see this is the trend line. It's loading. I think a bit of slowness. Yes. Okay. So this is the trend line. This is the day chart, and you can see this is the trend line. It is following, and it is currently hitting at the exact trend line. So sustaining above this, it should start moving towards. It should start moving towards the upper end, upper end at 40,000, 41,000, and 42,000 and above. So this should continue. I mean, like this harmonic pattern should continue at least till 48,500 levels. I'm expecting, which is not happening, going to happen in next 2 or 3 weeks. This will take at least 2 to 3 months in the time frame. So you can see PSU banks has given a breakout. All the banking sector has given a breakout. All the banks had come up with a very good. I mean, like earnings report also. Like all the earnings report is expected to be very good from the banking, because you know that there were number of loan disbursals happen, and everything is going to come out with a very good results. So this should continue for a while, and when it starts sustaining above these levels, it should start moving towards the subscribed level of 41,000, 42,000 and above. So currently Bank Nifty is very bullish. This is going to continue for a while, and people who are into PSU banks and private banks, this is a golden opportunity. Make it as bucks. So that's all from index. Let's look at what are all the breakout stocks. So as you know, Kotak Bank has given a breakout. Already we saw here. Yes, Kotak Bank has given a fresh breakout. So sustaining above this, I had given the levels. It should move towards 2,200 and 2,500. Sorry, 2,250 and 2,300 levels. So the next 52-week high stocks are Sharper Stop. You can see it has given a fresh breakout on the upside. Today it has given a massive candle. So sustaining above this, it is in a continuous range. I mean like in a channel, rising channel, and they should move towards 340, sorry, 340, 350, 360 and 400 levels. The immediate targets will be close to 370 and 400 levels. So the next one will be Thangamil Jewelry. So all the jewelry stocks are giving a excellent breakouts, and I think we captured these moves around 1100 levels, and currently it is at 1400 levels. So it is also, it does, you can see it is in a continuous stellar move now. So festive season, this is going to give a, still there is going to be move on this, still there is going to be steam on this. So please keep this in radar. So the next one will be PSU Banks, Indian Bank. You can see Indian Bank. So the next immediate target should be around 200 levels. So all the PSU banks are coming up with very good, excellent results. I'm expecting on this, and every result will be slowly coming up. So this should start moving towards 200 levels. So the next one will be Union Bank of India. You can see it has made a rounded bottom and then it has given a breakout. So the next immediate targets will be around 65 to 70 levels. So yesterday we had spoke about FinPipe and Finolex pipe and BDL. You can see Finolex has again given a breakout. It has fallen down. Now it has given an upside move. This should continue for a while. So keep this in radar. Next one is Bharat Dynamics. Yesterday we spoke about that in our previous video also. You can see. So this is in a multi-year breakout. I had notified you. So sustaining above these levels, this is going to be towards 380, 480, sorry, 480, 4 levels. It is going to soon achieve. So currently it is at 444. We discussed on 412 levels, and currently it is at 484. So the next one will be Tata Motors. Tata Motors has given a 52-week high. So the previous ones it did not sustain above this. So currently it has sustained above this level 508. So sustaining above this level, it should start moving. I am expecting a small pullback that should happen before it starts moving. But any dip towards its previous lows, then it's very good opportunity to grab Tata Motors at this level. I'm not sure we will get again these levels at this premium for sure, because we captured this move around 269, sorry, 284 levels, and now it is currently at 500 levels. It has almost doubled. So the next one will be, so next these stocks are closed with very good, very good volumes. Chola Finance, you can see Chola Finance. It has became a rounded bottom, again a small rounded bottom, but currently at, so sustaining above 621, this should start moving towards 661 and 683 levels in the coming weeks. So the next one will be Indigo. So Indigo, there was a severe selling pressure in the morning. It made close to 2010 in the morning. Yes, it made close to 1994, and then there was a very good volumes. It lifted back to 2043. So I'm expecting this sustaining about 2065. This should start moving towards 2050, 2100 levels, and 2200, and the previous high of 2300 levels. So please keep this in radar for tomorrow. So the next one will be City Union Bank. So City Union Bank today closed at 170. It made a stellar move and then 2 days fall. Now again it took support in the moving average, and again it took starts moving. So sustaining above this level, let's see, it is giving a breakout. So sustaining above this, it should start moving towards its previous high of 200. So the next one will be Kirloskar Ferrous. You can see Kirloskar Ferrous. It has given a flag pattern, kind of flag pattern. So sustaining above tomorrow this high 268, it should start moving towards 280, 290, 300 and 310 levels. So please keep this in radar. So the next will be Cosmo Films. You can see it is in a rising channel, and I am expecting sustaining above 1518. It should start moving towards 1700 levels in next 3 to 6 weeks time frame. So people who are entering into these stocks, please note that for every stock it should be 2 to 3% stop loss, and Anybody who is trying to enter that in a I mean like stocks that should enter in a higher time frame and that should start sustaining the previous high. Only then you should give an entry. So it should sustain at least for a day and then you can give a entry on that. So the next will be JSL Jindal Steel, Jindal Stainless. So the same pattern which we saw earlier, it is in a rising channel and I am expecting sustaining above this high of 334. I think this is the all-time high and it is currently in a 52-week high. So sustaining above this 52-week high, it should start moving towards, it should start giving an extension levels towards 340, 360 and 380, 400 levels. So the next one will be Tanla platforms. So Tanla solutions again, we saw 2 days back, I think so. Yes. So this is the triangle pattern, symmetrical triangle pattern, and it has given a breakout on the upside. So any if it starts sustaining about 1025 or if it gives a retest on these levels, it would be a very good levels to start entering into this level for higher levels towards 1089, 1122. So the next one will be so that's all guys. That's all for today. So these are all the breakout stocks or the 52-week high stocks or the stocks which are closed with high volume. So please keep this in radar for the next few days. Uh, this is going to give a stellar move on the upside. These stocks, these 52-week highs had sustained even the today's fall. So this should start moving aggressively towards the north. So keep this in mind. These are stocks which are very fundamentally and technically has given a very good breakout. So that should start sustaining and should move upside. So Nifty, I am expecting this should start moving again towards 18,300, 400 and 500 levels in the coming days. So again, market is bullish. Please use this. So thanks guys. If it is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.